L&L Products is a privately held company. We have been in business since 1958. Mr. Lane and Mr. Ligon, the L and L, are two buddies that started in high school in their mom's oven, expanding material, and have grown to about 1,200 employees globally and manufacturing in 10 different countries. Our primary focus here at L&L is our people. In addition to that, though, we want to get car parts out the door. We want to make sure that we're adding value not only to the people, but also to our customers, and we have a really strong relationship with them as well.
We'll show you how we manufacture tools, how we receive our information, and how we process that into what we are doing onto the floor. It also allows us to show you what education you need to advance into a skilled trades position in industry. Skilled trades is a great place to start off a career.
A great opportunity for high school to come in and see the skills you need. So we find that people that are, hands-on, a very creative person, they have the ability to really thrive here, because we definitely encourage to experiment, to try things, and to be successful in the company.
I think other companies should get involved with Manufacturing Day because it's a great opportunity for high school age kids to experience different career paths.
So something I thought was interesting was definitely all the chemistry that was used to make all the different parts.
So hopefully today kids came through a manufacturing facility and figured out that manufacturing is a lot different than what they've seen maybe in videos, and that there's a lot that goes on to get parts out of the back of a warehouse. We need all kinds of engineers, scientists, supply chain individuals to make this all happen as one big team. So there is a path for you in manufacturing, and it's okay not to understand what you want to do today, but hopefully today you saw something that interests you that may lead you down a path in the future.